Welcome to Wales Today, the headlines. Latest figures on the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine here show that proportionately, Wales is lagging behind England. Good evening. It's the issue that will dominate 2021, and today we got the best indication yet of how the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine has been going in Wales. Latest figures from Public Health Wales show that nearly 50,000 people have been given the Pfizer jab. That's up to Sunday, which means the first doses of the Oxford vaccine were not included. But the figures also show that Wales is proportionately lagging behind England in the rollout so far.
80-year-old Derek Hinchliffe lives in Penpederiol in the Caerphilly borough. He and his wife have barely left the house since March the 17th. They watched their grandchildren open Christmas presents through the window. He's frustrated with what he says is a lack of communication from the Welsh Government about when he'll get the coronavirus vaccine.
We've got friends who live in England who've had their first dose. We've had nothing, no communication. I did contact the Welsh Government, Paul Gethin, and just got a standard reply saying we're going to roll out the programme as and when, but no specific details as to when that might happen.
Today's data shows nearly 50,000 people in Wales have already been vaccinated, but we're still lagging behind England. According to the latest data, up until the 3rd of January, a total of 49,428 people in Wales have received their first COVID-19 jab. That works out as nearly 1.56% of the population. Across the border in England, the latest figures show nearly 1.97% of the population have been vaccinated. Scotland and Northern Ireland are also further ahead. If Wales had the same vaccination rate as England, then by now around 13,000 more people here would have received their first jab. The Welsh Conservatives say the latest figures show there's a postcodes lottery emerging in Wales, with fewer vaccinations taking place in parts of the north.